Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a Hoyts voucher online. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is open up a web page and head on over to hoyts.com.au and click enter. And then from there, select the cinema location, date and movie session. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to find movies. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to For this demonstration, I'm going to choose Alien Romulus. I'm going to scroll down. Now I'm going to click on Add Cinemas. So I'm in Adelaide, so I'm going to pick SA. And now Adelaide, I'm going to click Save and Browse. Alright, and then under Times and Tickets, it's got Arndale, so I'm going to click the plus icon. Click Save and Browse. And then I'm going to go down and click 6:15 movie time. Now I'm going to choose my seats. So there's a screen there. I'm going to choose somewhere at the back in the middle. I'm going to click proceed. Alright, now I'm going to pick 2 adult tickets here. So I'm going to put number 2. I'm putting in the ticket there. And now if I go back here, you can see voucher. Click on add. And now this is where you put in your voucher code and the PIN. And then click on redeem voucher. And then you can continue on with choose your tickets.